Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, I will show you beautiful garden decor ideas. So I hope you are enjoying my videos. So friends, let's start today video. So viewers, my first is friends. Bird feeder. You can also add bird feeder in the bird house. They attract beautiful birds and brings more life and movement to your garden. Garden watching birds visit your garden can be useful and enjoyable experience. All items can become amazing garden decoration. Turn wooden crates or basket, watering cans or into creative flowers planters. Recycling all material is both friendly and beautiful. And viewers, friends, so viewers, solar garden lights make your garden look magical after sunset. Place them along pathway around with flower beds on your trees. Soft lighting create a warm and relaxing atmosphere in the evening. And friends, viewers, our small water factors such as a foundation or a tiny pond can become the centerpiece of your garden. The sound of following water creates a relaxing and refreshing environment. So viewers, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video. Take care and Khuda Hafiz. The viewers.